Welcome back, guys. We're here in Arley, Alabama, just leaving to head back to Illinois to celebrate Christmas with our families. We're leaving our RV here and just taking the truck back. Nora has a doctor's appointment for her cystic fibrosis in the middle of December, so we decided to come home for that and then celebrate Christmas early with our families.
We decided that we would get up super early and get out the door by 5 a.m. So that we could have the kids sleep for a long time and get there, and it's just easier if they're sleeping most of the time. And in typical Blue fashion, it is 6:09. Not bad.
Pretty good for us. It was about a 9.5 to 10 hour drive, but it took us about 13. But one reason is we stopped at a really cool roadside attraction that I'm going to show you at a later date. Nora,
Say bye. Look at Daddy.
Nora, have a good appointment, okay? You're going to do good. I know you are.
All right, let's go.
I love you.
All right, bye. Love you.
Love you. We're back in Chicago for Nora's cystic fibrosis appointment. Visiting family for the holidays, and of course this appointment was scheduled, so this is when we came back to Illinois.
Ready?
Oh, did you get blood work? Oh my goodness.
They didn't have enough blood from this arm.
Really?
So they had to do it in this arm too.
Holy cow. How'd she do?
She did awesome, right?
Did you cry?
Just a little bit.
You did? Kind of a mwah.
Our lungs sound good.
Awesome. Good job. You want to clap? Clap your hands. Yay, Nora.
So
good
she was
job.
Great the whole time.
Oh, thank you. Yay. We are in Illinois for the holidays. We're celebrating 3 Christmases with family and one more back at home. So I guess you could say 4 Christmases.
We're celebrating Christmassy fools.
We love Christmas. What can we say? No, we feel like we're the oddballs with that. Like, most people don't like Christmas, but we really love Christmas. Just kidding. Everybody loves Christmas. Come on. Yeah, Ezra?
We should call it 5 Christmases because you remember us had one little pretend Christmas.
A pretend Christmas?
So we should call it 5.
5 Christmases this year, guys. That's what we're calling it. So let us know how many Christmases you guys celebrate every year. All right, guys, enjoy your Christmas. Here's ours. Oh, hey, doggy. Oh yeah? We had s'mores in nice weather, now we're having s'mores in winter weather.
There you go. What do you think?
It's good. But I want to eat it like a sandwich.
Yep, you want to eat it?
Oh, you want a s'more? You want the chocolate and the graham cracker?
Yeah.
Okay, come over here. I noticed. It's following me.
Did Nora have one?
How can I have one without a sandwich?
No.
they can eat that. That looks good.
Getting it in your hair.
That's part of being
Marshmallow hair. It's pretty cold and windy here. Florida's sounding really good right about now. Whew. These lights, those are cool.
My necklace.
Cute. Get up, Nora.
Yes. You have a night. The kids? I think the kids are just eating. Oh, Joseph. Joseph Mortimer. Okay, look at me. Look at Grandma, James.
So we're just leaving Sarah's mom's house in Illinois, getting ready to head back to the rig. We got about 3 miles down the road and we realized Sarah forgot her laptop. So here we are back getting it. That's one of the perks of having your RV with you all the time. You don't ever forget anything. So add 20 minutes to the trip. We're back in Alabama from our trip to Illinois for our Christmas festivities. 3 Christmases so far. We got 1 more left here in Alabama with just us. And feels good to be back home. Now we're gonna enjoy ourselves for the next few days before we're off to our next destination.
Look at that.
Christmas Eve at the Blues. We're having tacos. We love tacos.
Taco Thursday. All right, love you. Bye.
Oh.
Oh, awesome.
All right, we are still on our walk. We're checking out the lodge, but we can't get in. It's closed. Too late at night, I guess, but not much of our walk will show up, so we'll just show you this. They got some lights on the outside. A nice,
Merry Christmas.
a full-size tree that we get to see.
Yeah.
Yum. Yum. Does taste good.
Stand up.
Nora's first hot chocolate.
She like didn't even give it a second to sit there. She had to have some right now.
What was it, Rue?
Here, you want to sip?
Good. Wanna try? No. They're like a lot of...
We have to read the whole Bible before we open gifts.
Yeah.
That's what Mommy said.
Yeah.
Okay, should we get started?
Yeah.
At last, after traveling for many days and nights, she and Joseph arrived in Bethlehem. All the people who had come to have their names written down were there. The town was noisy and overcrowded.
And
Mary-
since it's Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget to support your favorite RV family. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and comment below. We'll see you next week.